ऑफ टू द खीर गंगा ट्रैक। ऑलमोस्ट 5 घंटे की ट्रैक है और अभी हमने हार्डली 2 मिनट भी नहीं कवर किया और हालत बहुत। सो दैट इज़ वेयर वी स्टार्टेड उस ब्रिज से, और ये इतना सही रास्ता कवर किया, इतने में सबकी हालत ख़राब हो, मतलब लिटरली सांस नहीं ली जा रही है। इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू सेव एवरी ब्रेथ। वी नीड टू टेक रेस्ट and let's see how we cover this, so come along. It's 500 meters and the trek just got a little easier. So what we heard is it's not so steep from here, so I believe this would make it easy, but still trekking for 5 hours, and then we are the kind of people who don't even walk for 5 minutes, so this is going to be very challenging today. Very tired, lost of breath. Let's keep walking. Stop to take a break. Never say that it's going to get easier. It was not even 50 meters and then it got steeper than it actually was. We are waiting for 2 of our friends, and once they get here we'll resume this trek. So they are here. It was a good like 3 to 5 minutes break for us, and now we'll try to keep the pace steady and see how far we can cover this. Moving ahead, trying to keep this journey continued. I can't even express what we're feeling right now. Guys, please work out at home, please. If you're ever coming on treks, make sure you work out for 1 month. Keep your body ready for this. We'll continue the trek. अविरूप की तबीयत थोड़ी ख़राब हो गई है, तो अविरूप नीचे वापस जा रहा है और हम लोग यहाँ से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. बाय, सी यू सून. चलिए गाइस, let's keep walking and now let's not try to stop. Getting easy, or maybe we are just acclimatizing to this terrain, but it's not as difficult as it was when we started. Yeah, we are enjoying to some chill music and trying to cover this. Sorry if the camera is not static. I really am trying my best to keep my hands stable, but it's not so easy. You guys might have some idea about this just from the way I'm speaking. Trying to really gather breath. I'll not speak much and keep you guys together in bits and parts. And whenever you're trekking, you get to see these small cafe sort of places. We can, just take a small chai break. As you can see, altitude 2360, 40 minutes and 1.17 kilometers. Heartbeat is fucking very fast, and we have come to this very scenic beauty. I thought, why not share it with you as well? So once you trek for almost 1.5 kilometers, you come to this bridge and you get to see this waterfall. This is a sight to see after this long and hectic trek. Guys, trust me, this is a pleasure to the eyes. So now we are 5 of us continuing the trek. And the road from here is not so easy, so I might have to stop the camera. Let's see. The sound of the gushing water, no? This is like music, and this is very difficult. I don't think I'll be able to do this with the camera on, so I'll let you guys watch them cross this bridge, and I'll cross it as well. So see you on the other side. We have covered 1.7 kilometers as of now. It's still 4 hours to go, bare minimum 4 hours. Every passing minute is like fuck all. We don't want to take breaks. We want to keep walking at a steady pace, but our bodies are just not allowing us to. We just tried to stop here for a small break. It's all green, it's all by the woods, just a small track. We have another team who's trekking, and we have Janish and Vikram taking rest here. It's me taking rest here, and then we have Rahul and Shivam who are continuing the trek. I can't express this feeling. Do some workout every day, come to this place and feel it. Let's continue. Update. So 3.03 kilometers. We have been trekking for 1 hour 46 minutes now, and this is one hell of a curve. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So guys, almost 4.3 kilometers done, and we have reached this beautiful, I'm not sure if the camera will do justice. Yeah, so this beautiful waterfall, and now we have to cross this bridge and then take that track. So far not so good, but let's keep walking. नीचे से ढुक जा विक्रम. कमांडो आगे बढ़. जिया कमांडो. कमांडो ये पकड़. Easy as fuck. Easy as fuck. Yeah.
ये किसका है?
शुभम का. रुकना.
ओह, समझे?
ये कमांडो. अरे कमांडो मरना मत.
अरे छोड़ दे उसको.
डंडा फेंक देना.
नीचे दिखा दे एक बार. क्या था नीचे?
एंड गाइज, अगर हम ये नहीं कर पाते तो हम यहाँ जाते. थैंक यू. फिर मिलते हैं इस हसीन सफर में. So guys, now we have covered 5.3 kilometers. It took us a total of 3 hours 6 minutes. Heart rate at 152. 152. दिल निकाल के उसको दे दे. वापस से ना. हाँ मेरे को तेरा देख कितना दिखा रहा है. मतलब I hope we have covered almost 70%. Not sure. We are taking a break, a short Maggie break. We'll have some ORS and then move. Just taking a small break here, getting us recharged, and then we'll move. We also have a water stream down there and another cafe there. Short break and then let's keep moving. Done with the break. Maggie, coffee, that was it. ज़्यादा फिल नहीं कर सकते, and we have to go up there. और यहाँ सारे लोग नीचे आ चुके हैं. So now we think we'll have a lot of company. अगर अंधेरा भी हुआ तो we have coffee. We have company here. So let's keep moving, guys. मुसाफिर हो यारो अपना क्या ठिकाना. सोम डरना मत. चल कुत्ता कुत्ता चल. This does not seem as difficult as it was earlier. I don't know if the trek is getting easier with the altitude or if we are acclimatizing to it. Not very sure, but yeah, it's not as difficult as it was earlier. We have covered almost 6 kilometers and fuck. I just was about to slip और slip करता तो सीधा इधर. So more 2 kilometers to go, 1.5 hours or so. 6.46 kilometers, heartbeat at 151, and this is our stop for the next 2, 3 or 5 minutes. Dead, completely dead would be an understatement. Vikram, how do you feel? We can't explain what exhaustion means. We still have 1 more kilometer to go. One more kilometer. Approximately 50 minutes.
Show me.
Taking a break again. Now with every 200 meters or so, it's becoming really difficult to climb. Legs are giving up. So we are stopping at every 200 meters or so and taking breaks. The view here is amazing. So what you see here is completely downslope, and then if I move you up, this is what we see here. So guys, we finally reached the peak of the Khir Ganga trek. Somehow my mic was not working back then and I had to do this voiceover later on. When you reach this, you see tents all around. It's very colorful, it's very scenic, it's surrounded by the hills. It was September, so it wasn't very cold, the weather was chill, and now we had to find our tents. So we started moving towards that. There was no network connection, so you cannot call your agent or the tent. So you have to spot it. We got images of a tent, so you have to see the images. You have to spot your tent and find it. So let's get to our tents. मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों यही लग रहा है. चढ़ो चढ़ो. Took a 10-minute short break. Feels so alive. Can't even express. थोड़ी सी bad news है. This is where you climb Khir Ganga. So that is where the camping starts, and these are our tents. So we have taken the first two. We'll wake up to this view in the morning, and then you can go more upwards and there's a lot of tents, lot, like I can't even count how many tents. Let's walk along, guys. Let me show you what's up there. We also have a hot water spring somewhere here, so let's see. This looks amazing. I wish we were staying here, but never mind.
So guys, that's it. That was the Khir Ganga trek for us. It took us almost 5.5 hours to complete this. We took the route through the Kalga village, so it was almost a 8.5 kilometers trek. We were very exhausted, so we thought to walk upwards to the hot water spring there. So we have Parvati Kund at the top, so we just wanted to get there, take a short bath and relax ourselves. So once you go to the Parvati Kund, the water is very hot. It will take you some time to acclimatize to it, but once you are done, it's relaxing and you'll forget the whole exhaustion of the trek. Let's now call it a wrap for this video as well. We'll see you in a new vlog tomorrow morning. We'll start our down trek tomorrow and we'll see you then. So leaving you with memories of this Khir Ganga trek, some idea, if you are a first timer, you now have some idea of what you'll be facing, how the journey will look like, what the time looks like. So let's end it here and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with a new video.